Ahmed Javed is a renowned scholar, thinker, and philosopher. I heard a beautiful thing from him, and it impressed me a lot, really. And it is about India Pakistan relationship. Ahmed Javed says, I love India. That is why I hate Modi. I love India. That is why I hate BJP. I love India. That is why I hate all the fanatics, extremists, and warmongers of India. Look, India, Pakistan are our neighbors. None of these can eliminate the other at all. But there is no need to do the bullying against the other. Absolutely unacceptable. And because of this attitude of India, they are spending huge sum of money on buying the arms. Pakistan too, under this compulsion that we have some sort of threat from India, India is after us and they want to eliminate us. They want to break us. That is why Pakistan is spending big chunk of money on defense. Although Pakistan's spending on the defense is barely 10% of what India is spending. But despite all that, since the Pakistan's economy is very small as compared to that of India, so keeping this thing in view, I think that we shouldn't have been spending this much of the money on the defense, provided they didn't have any sort of aggression and aggressive designs against Pakistan. I think what India is doing, it is not in the interest of the Indian public at all. So what does go into the interest of the Indian public and the Pakistani public? I think that we need to come out of the war hysteria and we need to serve the people of India and Pakistan. That is what goes right into the best interest of the India and the Pakistan. And if at all Indian people start saying that they love Pakistan,